Hey guys, Tikshe Fov, a crunchy, sweet, and spicy poha snack recipe. The traditional recipe calls for deep frying the poha, but in this version, we are not going to deep fry the poha, we are going to make the snack in just half a teaspoon of oil. To make Tikshe Fov, we need Chiki Jaggery. It's a sticky kind of jaggery. We need 500 grams. Do not use regular jaggery. We also need roasted stamped rice, which is also called as fulele fov in Konkani. It is little bit different from the regular poha. We are going to clean the poha of any debris. The poha should also be fresh and crispy. Next, use 1 inch of ginger and about 4 to 5 green chilies. My green chilies are very spicy, so I have used only 4 of them. Crush it into a paste. Set it aside for later use. Let's do all the prep work first. For the next step, we need a piece of shankar chap hing and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Using about half a teaspoon of oil, roast the hing and mustard seeds. Do not let the mustard seeds splutter. Simply roast it to make it crisp. We are now going to let it cool. Once cool, crush the mustard seeds and the hing into a powder. Set this aside as well. Now we are going to dry roast a cup of peanuts. Dry roast the peanuts for about 7 to 8 minutes or until they are crunchy. You may choose to discard the shell or just leave it as is. Also roast about 1 cup of dalia. This is a roasted split chickpeas that you get. We will also need 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. Heat 1/3 cup of water over medium flame. Now add the chiki gourd or the sticky jaggery. Spread it out a little bit. Now we are going to add all the other ingredients such as the crushed green chili and ginger paste, followed by the desiccated coconut and the mustard and hing powder. We are going to let the jaggery melt. This will take some amount of time, but be patient. After a few minutes, you'll see that the jaggery starts boiling. Just stir in between to make sure that the jaggery does not burn. Once everything is melted, add salt and chili powder to taste. Be very careful while tasting this as the mixture is very hot. Continue to boil this for about 12 to 15 minutes until you form like a thick string consistency. Test it on a cool down piece of jaggery ball like this. Look, the syrup is now thick. At this stage, you can turn off the heat and add the peanuts, the dalia, and the roasted poha. Give everything a very good mix until everything is well coated with the jaggery. The jaggery mixture is going to give the taste as well as bind the fov together. The mixture will be a little loose when it is hot, but trust me, it's going to solidify. As it cools down, the mixture can really stick to the pan. So transfer it onto a greased plate. We are going to let it cool, and only after it cools completely, store it in an airtight container. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy, and until next time, take care.